Hello everyone, this is Yogita and I welcome you all to this EFS Global Q Card series. Q Card की इस जर्नी में आज जो Q Card हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं that is a piece of equipment that is important in your home. बहुत सारे equipments हमने अपनी डेली लाइफ में अपने घर में देखे हैं and we use them almost every day. So one equipment आपके घर पे जो है जो आपके लिए आपको लगता है बहुत यूज़फुल है और बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ऐसे ही इक्विपमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे आज के इस क्यू कार्ड में. पर आगे बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा एंड ऑल्सो प्रेस द लिटिल बेल आइकन टू गेट ऑल द अपडेट्स अबाउट अ फ्यूचर वीडियोस. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Describe a piece of equipment that is important in your home. How you got it means आपको कैसे मिला. How you bought it और got it means आपने कैसे खरीदा. आपको किसी ने गिफ्ट किया, आपने किसी डिस्काउंट सेल में उसको खरीदा. So we'll discuss various options for that. What you use it for, किस पर्पस के लिए वो आपके घर में यूज़ होता है. How often you use it, how frequently, कितनी बार आप उसको यूज़ करते हैं. And explain why you think this thing is useful in your house. So very simple cue card. घर में बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं. रेफ्रिजरेटर, माइक्रोवेव, ब्लेंडर, मिक्सर ग्राइंडर. You can talk about anything, even your mobile phone and personal computer. So let us discuss about this cue card in detail and how to develop it in 1 minute, which examiner provides us. Let's first discuss about the journal statements which we can use to start this cue card. मैं हमेशा आपको बोलती हूँ कि कोई भी क्यू कार्ड आप एक जर्नल स्टेटमेंट से स्टार्ट करें ताकि आप अपने क्यू कार्ड को 2 मिनट तक इजीली स्ट्रेच अप कर पाए. सो हियर आर सम जर्नल स्टेटमेंट्स. ह्यूमंस हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे फ्रॉम द इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील. Science and technology has played a momentous is a great and huge role in making our life comfortable. It's very difficult in modern times to survive without them. इनके बिना आज के ज़माने में सर्वाइव करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है. वी यूज़ सेवरल टूल्स एट होम एंड इन आवर लाइफ विच मेक आवर लाइफ ईजियर एंड हेल्प अस डू आवर वर्क मोर क्विकली एंड स्मूथली. लाइफ वुड हैव बीन वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट हैड दीज गैजेट्स एंड इक्विपमेंट नॉट बीन देयर. मतलब अगर ये गैजेट्स हमारी लाइफ में ना होते तो हमारी लाइफ बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होती. Moreover, we can also say ranging from a refrigerator, a washing machine, a chimney or a microwave, the blender or simply the television set. Instruments have invaded each and every part of our life. Invaded means they've entered into, increasing our efficiency in life. Now, some vocabulary words which will make your cue card powerful and you can definitely execute this. Gadgets, tools, machines, apparatuses and devices. These are the various words which you can use as a synonym for equipment. Then how you got it? I bought it myself, or it was gifted by someone, or you got as a prize somewhere, or you won in a lucky draw contest. You even could have bought it in a discount sale, so you can describe it. Then how is it useful? For the word useful, we have various synonyms like resourceful, helpful, comes handy when I have to do that. So you can use such words. Then of course it's value for money. आपके पूरे पैसे की कीमत अच्छे से इसने अदा की है. Means it is worth paying that. Grist to the mill for me. Grist to the mill is an idiom which means really helpful. जो चीज़ आपके लिए बहुत helpful होती है उसके लिए आप इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये idiom grist to the mill. So you can say this equipment is grist to the mill for me. Then of course how often you use it? You can say frequently, बार बार. Often हमेशा यूज़ करता हूँ. अगर आपको उसकी ज़रूरत weekends पे पड़ती है so you can say I use it on weekends. It's among everyday utility items, so almost every day you use it. Commonly use it for many purposes. किस किस पर्पज़ के लिए वो काम आता है. Then of course इसकी हैंडलिंग. कई इक्विपमेंट आपके घर में ऐसे होंगे जिनको हैंडल करना बड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, बट सम आर एज ईजी एज पाई. सो यू कैन यूज सर्टेन idioms. It's quite easy peasy to handle. It's doodle to handle this equipment. Any child even can do it. As easy as pie to handle. So these are the idioms which you can use to talk about its user-friendly nature. Then we say about design and layout. Elegant design है, color है, user-friendly है, attractive features हैं, and you can even use it with your eyes shut. My work always is in apple pie order. आपका काम पूरा perfect order में रहता है because of this equipment. Again, it saves your energy. It's a great energy saver. It's automatic है, manual है, और इसकी structure जो है बहुत sleek है. And then space, अगर आप refrigerator की बात कर रहे हैं, microwave की बात कर रहे हैं, you can even talk about the space, air quality of the refrigerator, and counter depth. Because here in this cue card, I'm going to talk about refrigerator. So I've included some keywords talking about the features of this equipment. और अगर आप किसी और equipment के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो the best thing to get vocabulary about the features of that particular equipment from the user guide. Because हर equipment के साथ आपको user manual मिलता है, तो वहाँ से आप easily study कर सकते हैं about its features. Now let us discuss the model answer to develop and talk about this cue card for 2 minutes. Humans have come a long way from the invention of wheel. Science and technology has played a momentous role in making our life comfortable. It's very difficult in modern time to survive without them. We use several tools at home in our life which make our life easier and help us do our work more quickly and smoothly. Life would have been very difficult had these gadgets and equipment not been there. Ranging from a refrigerator, a washing machine, a chimney or a microwave, the blender or simply the television set. Instruments have invaded each and every part of our life, increasing our efficiency. Here, I would like to talk about quite a resourceful equipment at my home, that's a refrigerator, which is no doubt a common necessity item in almost every house. I use it to make ice creams, chill my water and milk, freezing purpose, and also to preserve daily food items. If there is an electricity cut for long hours, then we realize its true importance as most of the stored food items tend to spoil. I can't deny its usefulness in my daily life. I purchased this refrigerator on Diwali in a discount offer, and I got many additional gift hampers along with it. It's a steel grey color and has sleek and elegant design and comes in handy in my kitchen, and I use it for 24 hours as I need to store items like green grocery, beverages, dairy products, nuts and other food items which have a less shelf life. Shelf life is basically used for items or food items which usually get spoiled when they are not kept in refrigerator. So they are not basically safe outside. It costed me around 32,000, and I can say it's a complete value for money and a grist to the mill for me because of its attractive features such as the perfect air quality, counter depth, and in terms of saving energy. It's quite a user-friendly device and as easy as pie to handle and clean. I can't imagine a single day without it, and I feel it's quite important for me as well as for everyone to keep their kitchens in apple pie order. So that's all about this cue card, an important equipment at your home. So hope you also have an important equipment like this at your home and you can easily talk about it using these ideas. So wait for the new cue card, and if you really want to get it in time and the notification in time, do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that your bell rings when we post our next video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.